nature. She looked at me with a smile on her face. Then she started to cry. She said, why did my children forsake me? She felt like she was dying. Oh, ungrateful children. When she was young, she was beautiful and strong. Yeah. The more children she had, the more things went wrong. Now she's feeling old and cold, and her heart doesn't feel love anymore. Beautiful Mother Nature, she sat me down and told me to sing her a song. Maybe it would make her feel better. Maybe her children would sing along and see the wrong we have done. Make amends to mend her heart. She still wouldn't hate none of her children. No matter what cruel things they've done, she'll always be there when her baby's crying. She's a mother you can depend on. Beautiful Mother Nature, she's hoping her children will love her again, like one she remembers before skyscrapers and chemical plants, when she was all that we had, before they polluted her sacred land. Now her tears are falling like acid rain, and her voice sounds like earthquake. I had to beg her, Mother, please don't leave. Give another chance, I'll talk to the kids. Beautiful Mother Nature, she was mine. Beautiful Mother Nature, still is mine. Beautiful Mother Nature, she is mine. Beautiful Mother Nature, still is mine.
Yes, I understand that every life must end. As we sit alone, I know someday we must go on. Oh, I'm a lucky man to count on both hands the ones I love. Some folks just have one, yeah, others they got none. Stay with me, oh, let's just breathe. Practiced on my sins, never gonna let me win. Under everything, just another human being. Yeah, I don't wanna hurt. There's so much in this world to make me bleed. Stay with me, all I see. Did I say that I need you? Did I say that I want you? Or if I didn't, I'm a fool, you see. No one knows this more than me. As I come clean, I wonder every day as I look upon your face. Everything you gave and nothing you would take on. Nothing you would take. Everything you gave. Did I say that I need you? Oh, did I say that I want you? Oh, if I didn't, I'm a fool. See, no one knows this more than me. I come cleaner. Nothing you would take. Till I die, eat you on the other side.
They say cash rules everything around me. It seems for 30 pieces of silver you can buy you a king and forfeit your soul, become a slave to the machine. Some will sell their own mama for the American pipe dream. Redemption disregarded to the good news imparted, exempt from consequence. Spiritual freedom, the free taught, morally decayed. Selfish in my ways, I live to get paid. I'm so American made. America, the American dream. America, my American dream. America, the American dream. What does it cost for my American dream?
program the future, program schools and program the teachers, program youth and program the future, the program me to think I can lose her, trap me, hold me, mind and my body, teach my feet to rock like the sound, consume my life with the dollar signs, till I pledge my allegiance to lose my mind.
This is my life. It's not what it was before. All these feelings I've shared, and these are my dreams that I've never lived before. Somebody shake me, 'cause I must be sleeping. Said before, I think I'm doing okay. This is the smile I've never shown before. Somebody shake me, 'cause I must be sleeping.